Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on Nokia T21. And to do this you'll need to get the Rar app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's find the files that we want to unpack. Click on the file. You'll enter the archive and then you need to press on the arrow pointing up right here to open extraction options. Here you can also customize them if you want, it's not necessary, but I'm just gonna go with browse to change the designation where this image will be extracted. So let's go here in the movies, click on OK, then when you're ready click on OK again and the files should be unpacked. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.